As you know, I've written a chapter for this book, The Catalyst of Change. It's an incredible, inspiring book of 20 different stories of entrepreneurs. And you can read the transformation they've made over the years and how they turned, as you think it was a disadvantage, they turned it into a business. Very inspiring. And I'm going to read you a little bit of my chapter. And the chapter is called The Sound of Success. It was a bright, sun-drenched afternoon. The sky was clear and the air was warm. Birds were chirping merrily, and I felt that little spark inside of me. Like the sun itself was warming my soul. I've always been drawn to the sun. Hey, here it is. There's something about its power to lift your spirits and show you the way forward. As a child, I was known as the sunshine in the house, the vibrant, lively girl who filled every room with energy. But that warmth, that radiance, didn't extend to school. There, I became a shadow of myself. And if you want to know how this goes on, read the book. Thank you.